If your Toshiba TV is blinking a light over and over, count those flashes before you do anything else. The pattern can give you a clue about what the TV is detecting. Let's start with 3 blinks. On some Toshiba models, 3 red flashes indicate that the TV is rebooting. If the blinking stops after a few seconds and the TV comes back on, that may be completely normal. But if the 3-blink pattern keeps repeating and the TV never starts, you could be looking at a problem that is preventing the TV from completing its startup cycle. Now, watch for a continuous blinking light without a clear pause. On certain Toshiba models, a blinking power LED can indicate a power-on failure. Toshiba's own manuals recommend unplugging the TV for about a minute, reconnecting it, and trying again. If the same pattern immediately returns, the problem may be inside the TV rather than with the remote. There's also a pattern involving slow blinking. On some Toshiba sets, slow blinking can indicate a communication or bus line problem. In simple terms, one of the internal components may not be communicating correctly with the main board. Then there's fast blinking. Certain Toshiba models use rapid blinking to indicate power protection. The TV has detected something abnormal in its power system and is preventing itself from fully starting. And if you see 2 different LEDs blinking together, pay attention to the timing. On some older Toshiba televisions, combinations of red and green blinking were used for problems such as a failed lamp or abnormal temperature. Here's the part that can save you from buying the wrong replacement board. Don't assume that 3 blinks always means the same thing, or that 5 blinks always means a specific part. Toshiba has used different LED systems and different fault indications across its TV generations. So grab your phone, record the blinking pattern, and count the flashes between each pause. If the pattern repeats, that number is much more useful than simply saying, "My Toshiba TV has a red light." And if you want the exact diagnosis, the Toshiba model number matters just as much as the blink count. Tell me your model number and the exact pattern. For example, 3 blinks, pause, 3 blinks, and you can narrow down what that particular Toshiba is trying to tell you.